time that you want. So let's say I want to download this one, which is the 200 MB one. Considering this is high definition, I have... Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can download any video on Google Chrome for free. And I'm gonna be emphasizing on for free because once you emphasize on for free, that means there are some limitations here. And I'm just gonna be putting up there. Okay, so what do we need to do in order to download videos, any videos on Google Chrome? So we need to head over and download an extension first. And of course, it's always going to be an extension. What else is it going to be? If it's not on Google, if it's on Google Chrome, then it's always going to have to be an extension. And we're going to have to download this thing called Video Downloader Professional. And how do you download that is you need to get over to the Chrome Web Store so that we can download this extension right here, right now. So let's just search it up. It's this one. It's the Video Downloader Professional, and right now it's already been installed for me, and I only have the option to remove it. So if you haven't, it should appear as add to Chrome, and then it will ask you whether you want to add the extension. You just need to click on add extension. So before we get over to the downloading part, I'm just going to have to read to you some of the things that they have here in the description. So what Video Downloader Professional does is that you can download videos from any website and collect them in your audio, as well as play found MP4 videos via Google Chromecast, or on your TV. And you can also create a list. But if we go here to see more, there's an important part here that says we had to lock the download of YouTube, Instagram, Dailymotion, VK, and TikTok videos because of restrictions of the Chrome store, which sucks, but that's it. That's the only downside about this. Aside from that, we can download anything that we want. So let's say I want to download the video from Pexels. It's one of my favorite websites that I want to use because there's a lot of videos here that are all of it are user generated and just uploaded here. I'm really happy because it's not AI and it's really high definition photos or videos that were taken by real people using their real 6-digit camera. Yeah, I'm gonna emphasize the 6-digit there because look at this majestic video here. Okay, still loading. Although they do have a free download button here, but just in case they don't have a free download button. So look at this majestic video. It's so amazing what humans can do. So let's head over here to extensions and then just click on Video Downloader Professional and it should appear here. So we have multiple videos that we can use here. And although it does not show us which one of the video is the one we're watching now, we will still have these things here and you can download them anytime that you want. So let's say I want to download this one, which is the 200 MB one. Considering this is high definition, I highly believe that this could be that one. So let's just wait for that, and I'm gonna go over to the downloads folder now to check if I did download the right one. Let's go over to videos and where did that go? Sorry. Oh wait, it's still downloading here. I'm sorry. So let's just resume it. I'm having a problem with my internet connection right now, so that's a hassle, I guess. Okay, so once it's done downloading, let's check the video, and it's already done downloading. And there it is. It is actually the right video, and that is how you can download videos from any website on Google Chrome for free. Just not from YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, but from anywhere else, you should be fine. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again, this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.